Question number 7. The marks obtained by 30 students in a class assessment of 5 marks is given below. Marks. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of students. One, 3, 6, 10, 5 and 5. Calculate the mean. First, we find mean. Xi, Fi. Fi, Xi. 0 into 1 equal to 0. 3 1s are 3. 6 2s are 12. 10 3s are 30. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. And summation Fi Xi equal to 5 plus 2. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. 3, 5, 8 and 9, that is 90. First part, mean equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. So sum of frequency Fi equal to 5 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30. So 90 divided by 30, that is equal to 3. So mean equal to 3. Answer. And we find median. So cumulative frequency equal to 1 as it is. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 5 25. 25 plus 5, that is equal to 30. So n is equal to 30, which is even. So median equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2, that is equal to n is 30. 15th plus 30 upon 2 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16th term divided by 2, which implies 15 lies in cumulative frequency in 20. Corresponding value of x, that is 3 plus 3 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. So median equal to 3. Answer. And second part. Third part, mode. Mode is 3 is 10 times. So mode is equal to 3. Answer. 3 occurs maximum times, that is 10 times. So mode equal to 3. Answer. given marks, that is xi equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, frequency fi equal to 1, 3, 6, 10, 5, 5. First we find mean, that is fi into xi. Fi xi 0 into 1, that is equal to 0, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 6 2s are 12, 10 3s are 30, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and sum of fi xi equal to 90. So mean equal to fi xi upon summation fi. 90 upon sum of frequency is 30. 90 divided by 30, that is equal to 3. So mean is equal to 3, answer. And median, we find cumulative frequency 1 as it is, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 equal to 30. So n equal to 30, which is even. So median equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15th, plus 15 plus 1 16th term divided by 2. 15 lies in cumulative frequency, that is 20, and corresponding value of x, corresponding value in x is 3. 15th term is 3 and 16th lies in 20, that is also 3. 3 plus 3 upon 2 is 6 upon 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3 2s are 6. So median equal to 3, answer. And mode in frequency, 3 lies maximum times, that is 10 times, 3 occurs maximum times. So mode is equal to 3, answer. Question number 8. The distribution given below shows the marks obtained of 25 students in an aptitude test. Find the mean, median, and mode of the distribution. Marks obtained: xi and number of students. Fi. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Frequencies 3, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1. Sum of frequency equal to 3 plus 9, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 1, 25. And first we find mean, that is fi xi. 5 3s are 15, 9 6 are 54, 6 7s are 42, 8 4s are 32, 9 2s are 18, 10 1s are 10, and sum of fi xi equal to 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 9, that is equal to 21. 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16 plus 1 17, that is 171. So mean first, that is mean. First part, mean equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi, that is 171 upon 25. 171 divided by 25. 25 6 are 150, 21.0, and 25 8s are 200, 10.04s are 100, that is equal to 6.84. Answer. And median, that is cumulative frequency, is 3 as it is, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 4 22 plus 2 24 plus 1 25. So n is equal to 25, which is odd. Median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 26 upon 2, 13th term. Median is equal to 13 lies in cumulative frequency 18. Corresponding value equal to 7. So median equal to 7. Answer. And third, we find mode. Mode 6 occurs 9 at a time. So mode is equal to 6. Answer. Given marks, that is xi 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and number of students frequency 3, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1. First we find mean. Product of fi and xi is 3 5s are 15, 9 6 are 54, 7 6 are 42, 8 4s are 32, 9 2s are 18, 10 1s are 10, and their sum is 171. So mean equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi, sum of frequencies equal to 25. So 171 divided by 25, we get 6.84. So mean equal to 6.84. Answer. And then we find median. Cumulative frequency is equal to 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 4 22, plus 2 24, plus 1 25. N is equal to 25, which is odd number. So median equal to n plus 1 upon 2. 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 2, that is 13th term. 13 lies in cumulative frequency 18, and corresponding value in x, that is equal to 7. So median equal to 7. Answer. And mode in frequency 6 occurs 9 at a time. So mode equal to 6. Answer. Thank you.